Okay, super quick tutorial on how to use this Python script to generate your title tags. Here's a simple breakdown of how it works. It will fetch the top 100 ranking titles for a given keyword using SERP API. It'll then analyze trends from those title tags using natural language processing. And then finally, it will use GPT-4 to generate a high-performing optimized title. So getting started is super simple. If you don't already have them, you will need an API key from SERP API and OpenAI. So make sure you get those first. You'll also need a keyword or keywords that you want to run against the tool. So once you have access to the script, make a copy, save it in your own folder. Um, and now I've set up each of these cells to run independently, so you don't have to run the entire script every time you want to rerun a title tag. Um, so to get started, just click the play button in each of these cells. When it's completed, you'll see a green check mark, letting you know you can move on to the next one. So you'll see green check marks at each box. Now, when you get to the last cell, this is where you'll start to input your information. So this cell here. So I'm going to click play. It'll prompt me for my corresponding API keys. And I set this up so that it doesn't save the API key. So there's no risk of any nefarious activities. Now we work a lot with real estate clients. So I'm going to use San Diego homes for sale as our example here. Here we're fetching our top 100. Here you can see the top terms identified from the 99 titles analyzed. And then here's our customized title. So newly listed San Diego homes for sale, real estate agent gems awake. Await. Now, if you want to get advanced, there's a couple ways that you can edit this. The first is stop words. So, for example, I might want to add 2025 here so that I don't get any titles returned with a year reference. Um, if you add anything else here, you'll need to rerun this cell. So just be mindful of that. The other area is the GPT prompt itself. So you can customize this prompt based on brand guidelines or specific elements that you would want to include or not include in the title tag itself. And then lastly, temperature. So if you want something very precise, keep it around zero point 0.5. If you want to get a little bit more advanced, you could ramp this up to zero point 0.9. So if I rerun this, let's see what sort of difference we get here. Discover your dream home, new San Diego homes for sale. So a little bit more creative. Hope you like the tool. If you want to give it a try, grab the full script, just add a comment in the post, and I'll send it your way.